I have tons of people telling me they don't know how to backtest and they don't enjoy backtesting. And I keep telling them, bro, go on TradeZella and just do this and this, and it's so good. But people kind of told me they don't know how to do it, they need help, so I'm here to help you guys. This is going to be just a video on me explaining something, and I'm going to tell you a little hack that I already posted on TikTok, but I'm gonna go in a bit deeper because it's actually a crazy backtesting hack. I started really enjoying backtesting after this. It's like a game. Once you really do it like this, bro, it's just a game. It starts really making fun, bro. But let's start right in. So you go on TradeZella, obviously. You make an account. I think for backtesting you have to pay. It's like $30 a month, but it is worth it because I know you can backtest on TradingView. I know you can go like into replay mode and shit, and you can do replay trading, but it isn't the same because you don't have the stats and everything like you have it on TradeZella. Because on TradeZella I can show you anything. I can show you this session. I can show you that dashboard of this session, right? You see everything really nicely. You can see my win percentage was 75%. You see your PNL. You can see here, right? I backtested 1 week on a 200k. That was this October week, and you can see everything. You can click on the trade, and you can see when you opened it. You can see it's a short. You can see the duration. You can even see it on the chart itself if you look at this. Let's go to the 15-minute. I hope it shows. Where is it? It should be this one right here, right? This short right here. You can see every single thing, return per pip, everything. So it really is better than, it's worth it, bro. It's not $30 for nothing, right? But yeah, let's go over everything. So, because people don't know how to do it. So you create a session, you name it what you want. I'll just name it XAU USD. I always name it the same. Just like this. You go to symbols. Here you just put in XAU USD. It's the only one that comes up. So you just click that. And then you have the start date to end date. So you can put in whatever you want, right? I used to I put in like dates from 2016 till now, but that's just if you just sit down and say I'm just gonna backtest, right? What I do now, this is also my hack. I'm gonna kind of explain my hack and explain the whole TradeZella thing for itself together. So start date and end date every weekend, because we can't trade on the weekends, right? I mean, you can trade Bitcoin and Solana, yeah, but you can't trade gold. So what I like to do on the weekends is I like to backtest the whole last week. So I put in Monday till Saturday, right? And I do this because, bro, you can see trades that you took and you see it in like real time. You don't just look at the chart and just zoom in and things. You actually do it, right? And you can look at trades that you have already took last week. If they were profitable, you can look at, oh, how can I make this even more profitable? What did the chart exactly do? How can I replicate this? If it was a loss, you can say, okay, why was this a loss? You can determine how you can do it better next time. If you didn't even see the trade, you may see it with the second time. I mean, you can also go to the end of the session, mark up every possible trade that you see, and then go at and look at, oh, why didn't I even see this? That's everything I basically do. Okay, and for the start balance, I usually just put in the balance that I am trading with currently. It doesn't really matter because you are doing it because you want to see the trades, right? It's not about the money, but I still put it in so I can just have kind of a feeling of how much would I lost or how much would I won, just for my feeling, right? So I'm gonna put in what capital I have at the moment. Then you're gonna go on create session, and then you have this whole thing. You have basically trading view in here, but I don't really like this and with the volume, and I don't like red and green, so I'm just gonna change it real quick. And now you're just gonna backtest. So we can look at this together now, for example. So I took one trade this week. I already did this for this week. I took one trade, and that was the only trade that would have been like that was the only opportunity I saw. But you can see, like, back down here, you always have to put in sync time frame, because this is like, you can see the bar now, it's every 1 hour, it like every 1 hour candle, if you click here, every 1 hour candle, it goes up, right? If you go to the 50-minute, it automatically switches to 50 minutes, so it always takes one 50-minute candle. But you can also use this here, like play and pause, but I don't like that. I just usually skip around the things. Yeah, what do you have else? I mean, you have to put in all your trading view stuff manually. Like, you have to go here and put it on star, but you guys know how that shit goes because you have trading view, hopefully. Down here you see open positions, you see closed positions, you see your orders, you see your balance, you see your P&L, and down here you see quantity and buy and sell. But you're not going to use this when you take a trade. I'm going to show you that after, right? Up here you see the date, you see it's Monday. If we go a bit to the front, we see it's Thursday, but we're going to stay at Monday for now. So, and now you can just backtest, right? You can just look at what's happening, So right here, there was a trade opportunity for me. Here we broke, obviously the daily is in a uptrend, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So we're aiming for these highs right here. Then that was the moment I went down to the 1 hour time frame, and I just looked at structure. I looked at what price was doing. Price was fiddling around a bit, playing around a bit, and then at one point New York session came in, and it was right here. Yeah, right here, New York session kicked in, and you can see this push that I made, this break of structure to the upside. I knew this is going to be my trade. I entered right here, had my stop loss down here, and my take profit was right up here at this high right there, right? That is just the way we trade ICC. I'm not going to go too far into the strategy itself. If you want to look at this strategy, go to Trades by Sai on YouTube. He is the GOAT. He trades ICC. He's the best ICC messenger, or how do you call it? Yeah, for sure. ICC is the shit. Yeah. But so this was my trade, right? And my entry was on the 1 hour. And now the thing is, you guys ask, oh, how do I do this? Do I go here and then I buy and sell quantity, and I have to go like put in the numbers and go on my calculator and shit? Bro, it's not that. Like, chill out. You would see this, right? And you would say, oh, okay, maybe you can even do it like this. You see, okay, the breakout structure, you know, okay, I would have entered here. It's no problem. You go back one, and this is the magic tool that a lot of people don't see, that I also saw that you guys are struggling with. You go up here to place order, right? And now you're thinking, oh man, but I still have to put in the position size. No, bro. Open your eyes. You go to advanced order and you click this, and you can see, bro, this is such a bro, I wish I had this in MetaTrader, right? I think other platforms might have it, but MetaTrader doesn't have it, and it's, oh bro, it's so, I need this tool. It's so nice. But it automatically basically knows what you put in here, right? It checks off this whole thing. What you then do is you basically just put in the risk that you want to take. For me, it would be 2%. I always risk 2%. And it automatically, you can see it automatically puts in your profit target, your stop loss. If you take a trade that you don't have a fixed TP, you just put this away and you have no profit target. But I'm going to do it like this. And it's not going to be a market order because you're taking the trade right here. So you're going to put a limit order right here. And you can see that your entry is right here. That should actually happen on itself. I don't know why it didn't, but it's okay. You can see you're risking 7K to make 42K, which is fucking crazy, bro. And then you just click buy. And it's a limit order, so the limit is set. And You click the next one, it goes through. Okay, order is running now. You can see buy, pending. Yeah, your open PNL is already at 1K. Perfect. You see here, open positions, unrealized PNL. You go to the next, you see, okay, is going up. And that's basically the way you backtest. And you click your way through, it comes down a bit, it comes down, it goes up, up, up. And you can see at one point it hits take profit, right? After the TP, it went down instantly. And you can see the PNL got realized, and you can see realized PNL 42K, right? And this tool really is a goated tool, because it's just crazy, right? Because bro, you don't have to do anything. You just put in your risk and you click. So, and you can see it's already Friday, so this trade took all of the week. And when you're done, it automatically shows you the whole sheet, backtesting complete. So you can see this week I made 12.1% backtesting this. Then you can view detailed report, and you can go here and you see everything. You can see one trade, 42K. You can see the duration. You can even go on here, and what is also cool, you can view details, and you can expand this. Wait, you go on here, yeah, and you see the whole trade. You can even replay, then you can go on the chart and look at the whole thing again. Here, if you go all the way here, you can see it right here again. So it really is crazy. You can even drag and drop things, put things in strategy. You can put it into your wins. There's a lot of shit you can do, but I may go over that in another video. I just wanted to show you how to backtest properly and what I do every week. So for me, for example, I took this trade, but I didn't take it out, sadly. You can see it when I go to TradingView, right? That's another thing, but I was too greedy. I put my stop loss up there, and price is retracing back, even though I knew I should put my TP right there. But this is exactly the things, like when you back test, you can see, okay, oh man, that was greed that controlled me. My TP really should have been here, then it would have been all good, right? It is okay, it is no problem now. But that is exactly what backtesting is good for, because of these things. So yeah, I really hope I could show you how to backtest properly with this video. I just wanted to show you how TRADEZELLA works, because some people were DMing me and telling me like, bro, I don't really get how it works. I don't really get how to use TRADEZELLA properly. And I think it's very important, because there's a lot of people that say backtesting isn't good, but I think this type of backtesting can have a profit for you, because you see the things that you did last week, right? You see, okay, what did I good, what did I do bad, and that's really you actively, right? It's not like that data from 2018. It's like from yesterday and the last week. So I think it is really, really good. I found that it helps me really much. It's really good. So yeah, what can I say? If you backtest like this, man, you will see a profit. I can tell you that. I saw a profit for me. I saw myself bettering, and you see the trades that you missed, that you took, that you lost, that you won, everything. That was it with this video. I don't want to make this too long. We're already at like 50 minutes now. If you have any questions, just put them in the comments. I'm going to answer every single question of yours. And thank you very much for watching. We're going to see each other in the next one.